Hello everyone, and today we are going to be exploring how to morph into any mob in Minecraft. Completely vanilla, 1.17 plus Java edition. This is going to be very fun, and you'll be able to pull some pretty fun pranks on your friends with this. Anyway, let's get right into the tutorial. You'll find everything you need in this barrel. You'll need some command blocks, as well as a lever and a button. So the first thing you're going to want to do is place these down here, like this. And then, you're going to want to place the lever on this one and the button on this one. Then, once you have your command blocks, you're going to do summon the mob that you want. I'm going to do a sheep for this tutorial. It can be any coordinates that you want to summon it at. It doesn't really matter. And then some brackets. We'll come back to that later. We have a bunch of problems, first of all. We're going to /tp at e type equals sheep to myself. And there are a couple problems with this. First of all, you're going to teleport every sheep to you. If there are multiple sheep, then every single one of those is going to be teleported to you. Second of all, the sheep pushes you around. And third of all, the sheep is still visible. So, we can fix all of those problems with a few simple commands. We're going to put something in here. Tags. This will help us with the problem that there are multiple entities being teleported to you. If you only tag one of them with the entity, then if only one entity has the tag, then only that one entity will be teleported to you. So that is the solution. You can put any tags in here, but you're going to need this type of brackets and then quotation marks. And then just whatever tag you want to put. I'm going to do Jumping Owl's Morph to make it simple. It could be just morph or whatever. See, if I put down a sheep, it still pushes me, and I'm still visible. So, to fix this, we're going to need a few more commands. What we're going to do is we're going to do tag instead, and then tag equals Jumping Owl's Morph. Again, it can be anything, just make sure it matches the one in this command block. So, now if I summon a sheep there, it doesn't work, but it only works with this sheep. Perfect. But it still pushes me, and I'm still visible, so it's not perfect still. We'll just need a little bit more commands. So, you're gonna need the /team command. If you don't know how to use that, just follow along exactly. You're going to need to create a team called NoCol or No Collision. Doesn't matter. It doesn't actually matter what it's called, but what you're going to need to do is you're going to do /team modify. There's a bunch of things here for the server. No collision. Collision rule. Never. Nothing changed. I already did that. So, doesn't matter. If you do that, it would set the collision room to no. And then you're going to do /team join no collision at e type equals the mob you want, and then tag equals the tag that you did. Just make sure the capitalization is correct. And there we go. And then, actually don't even need the type. You can, just have this. You just need the tag as long as there's only one thing with the tag. And yeah, that will fix the problem with the sheep pushing us. It doesn't do that anymore. Perfect. Now we're gonna need to do one more thing, and that's make us invisible. Does that make sense? So, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to effect give let's do just me, Jumping Owl PC, or whatever your name is in the game. Effect give Jumping Owl PC. It's invisibility, 1 true. And that way there will be no particles, so it'll be no way of telling. Alright, and now we're going to remove all our items, turn the system on, and summon the sheep. And boom. There's a bit of a problem that I can see myself, but if we do /team, the team I'm on, it doesn't matter. I'll fix it. You won't have this problem likely unless you're already on a team, but if you do this problem, just do this, the team you're on, see friendly invisibles, false, and boom, I'm a sheep. If you want to make this even more fancy, though, you can do /team modify, and then NoCol, color, and then whatever color you want it to glow. I'm going to do dark green, and then you're going to need to add one more command block. And if you really want to be thorough with this, and you don't want that to move, then all you need to do is need to add another tag here, which is NoAI with this specific capitalization, and then it won't move. But it will still be teleported to you if you have that command block. So, I need to add one more command block. It's having facing the same way for continuity. You don't need that, but I like it. And then you need to do you need to do /effect give at e tag equals Jumping Owl's morph, or whatever tag you did. And then glowing, 1 true. Boom. Now I'm a glowing sheep. And you can name it with a name tag, just have a name tag, and then do an anvil. As you can see, if you're using a mob that's only 1 block tall, you can still do things pretty well. If you're using an Enderman, its hitbox will obstruct your vision. So don't do something too tall if you want to actually do stuff as the mob. I recommend a sheep, a chicken, or axolotl, endermite, anything that's not 2 blocks tall or less. No, sorry, anything that's not 2 blocks tall or more was what I meant to say. So, yes, and we can just do it whatever you want. You can do this to make it go rainbow. Boom. Now I'm a glowing rainbow sheep. And again, you can make this any color, so, like, any color on this list, that is. Yellow. Gray. Pretty much anything. So, have fun with this morph. You can pretty much just play the entire game as this if it's a mob. You can't really reach under you that well, so like if I was standing on top of this barrel, I'd have to kind of like move if I wanted to open it. You can open it from the side though. See, the hitbox obstructs your view from like everything here, but not here. Does that make sense? Doesn't matter. Anyway, the morph is now done. It kind of lags behind you a little bit, but you can fix that with maybe a few more command blocks that teleport it to you. I'm not sure how to fix that, but that's maybe one way to fix it. I have no idea. But if you enjoyed this tutorial, then I will see you in the next one. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, etc. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.